Hey, what's up YouTube? We're here today at Espressotec Sales and Service. I hope you folks are doing well. In our last video with the Jura S8, we did an overview. This video, we're going to be jumping right in, just using the video, trying out the touchscreen features, talking about the bean hopper lid, how it feels, all those great things that you learned in the other video. If you haven't watched it, you can go watch it first. So, nice cup height adjustability. You can put lots of really tall cups under there. What we're going to do first here is just make an espresso. So you can see here it's got all the drink menu items, total of 15 drinks. If you don't want to have the interface where there's the 8 beverages, you can adjust this, change the beverages that are on there, put your own that you prefer, organize it differently. You can also go through and just kind of scroll through each item. I'm going to do a ristretto today, nice little short espresso. On the fly you can adjust the grind, make stronger coffee, add in a little bit more water. A little bit tough to do it from the side there. So what we did here is just adjust the ristretto beverage from a 0.5 ounce to a 1.5 ounce. I guess it's more of an espresso, but it's for the demo's sake. You hear that? I probably talked over it, but it was quite quiet. There's the pulse extraction process with these ones. So I mean, look at the crema on that espresso. We're finding the coffee to come out a whole lot richer. That's hot. Wow. We're ready to drink. That's really good though. I'll hold on to that. Let's get another milk drink started. So, yeah, that's a good coffee. Latte macchiato maybe, guys? Let's do it. On the front here, we have our adjustable milk foamer. This is where all your milk drinks come from. The cool thing about Juras, in case you're new to them, is that they're machines that have most of the programming. The higher end, more premium quality machines will integrate one-touch cappuccino features, which means you take this hose, put it in the milk, you put your cup under it, and you push the drink. Basically, now we're baristas. Foamer is adjustable, so more steam here. Foam. Opposite actually. Foam, steam. Lots of density there, you can almost see it frothing up. So on the front nozzle it's doing the milk there, and then on the rear nozzle it's going to start to brew the espresso. Oh, looks like there's a bit of an interval there in between the milks. This is probably just for the milk settling, so that it disperses nicely between the beverage setting. If you wanted to skip that though, you can always skip the pause, jump right into the coffee. Again, these are all the features and the programming right out of the box, so we haven't adjusted anything. If you want to fine-tune things at home, you go right into the P button menu, and that's all adjustable, so you can adjust those pause buttons, make the milk disperse more to your preferred methods. Also strength, everything. You see here, you got milk on the bottom, you got milk on the top, you got coffee in the middle. That looks great. I'm gonna pass that one off to a colleague, let them enjoy that. There you go, guys. So that was using the Jura S8. Has a touch screen, you can see, really easy to navigate. Lots of cup height adjustability, one-touch cappuccino features, fairly easy to navigate. Again, that's what it's about when you're using a Jura machine. One of the nice features is that it comes up with a clean the milk system right after a beverage. There's a notification somewhat, and you'll just enter that. You can enter right into the cleaning cycle to start it. We'll wrap up the video. You guys want to comment below if you have more questions. Let us know your thoughts about touchscreens on espresso machines nowadays. It seems to be a progression in the market. We love it. We're happy to try it out. If you guys want to like and subscribe, check out some more videos from us. You're more than welcome, so follow us along. Thanks. See ya.